Yo, that was the bus backing up, I guess. That was a weird noise. What's up, everybody? Woo! Giller, welcome back. DK, howdy ho there, neighbor. Is the app out yet? Come on, man. No. Skris, oi. Airline, hey, welcome in. Saluti salute is my friend. Copley, yo yo yo, licorice lion, ayo. Oh. How's it going, my dude? It is going. It is going. Sorry, folks, for the late stream today. Or the hour later. Yeah, if I was gonna start an hour ago, I wouldn't have woken up. So I'm glad we pushed it a little bit. You want to kill me? I'm here for the stand up. Lego. We got hardcore scams. You did. Yeah. Hey, that's the magic of software. People say one thing, but ultimately it never happens. Oof. Your beard game is getting stronger and stronger, my man. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm trying really hard to keep it tamed. I forgot to put my beard oil in this morning. But yeah, I'm really trying to go for a nice quarantine beard, as they say, you know? People are having quarantine babies, getting quarantine pets. I'm just here trying to get a beard. You know what I mean? I appreciate that, dude. Thank you. Hey, Alec. Hey, the interview went well. They're going to get back to me Friday morning. Let's go. Dude, I'm so proud of you, man. That's super exciting. I'm sure you did awesome, and I'm excited to hear the news. Excited to hear the news, man. Best of luck to you. I'll send you some good vibes. Quarantine babies. Yeah, that's the thing. I've heard people like, hey, are you having a quarantine baby? And I'm like, why is that even a question? And then I had friends ask me the other day, like, are you going to get a quarantine dog? I'm like, no. What's going to happen when the quarantine ends? I got to give the dog back, or now I have a dog? Nothing like tornado sirens waking me up. Jesus Christ. Be safe out there. Welcome in, Dragonfleece. Nice to see you, my guy. I just got my Android emulator working. It's using 70% of my CPU, but it's working. Jesus. Dude, turn that resources down. That's the cool thing about Android emulators, is you can actually decide how much crap you want to give to it. Man, yo, be safe out there, Dragon. That's a scary time. Yeah, tornadoes are no joke. Yag! Howdy ho there, neighbor. Nice to see you. Oh, the emulator is? Damn. That's, yeah. I would check I would check out your resources, make sure things are good to go there, my friend. Just hit. I'm pretty sure my car's gonna have broken glass. Wow, dude, stay safe. Jesus, it sounds terrible. Let's talk about that tat on your arm. This one? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7 on this arm. So the ones you can see, I'm assuming. Oh God. Yeah, so this one, ironically enough, not a wow, I've never put this together. Ironically enough, this is actually wow, this is like, it's kind of weird. Yeah, weird. This is a Chernobyl reactor core explosion that happened in Russia a while back, right? When I first moved to Seattle, I watched the show on HBO Chernobyl, and like obviously it's like fluffed up because it's a TV show, but I did a lot of research on like Chernobyl and how it all happened, and like, man, that's a crazy time in our life. Like, it was one of the craziest things that I think I've ever read, or like ever like been interested in history. And so I bought a bunch of books, just like first account stories and like research stuff online, and yeah, just really like, Yemorks, you're ruining my talk, man. What the? Yemorks, thanks for the raid, dude. Welcome in. We're just getting started. Yeah. Salud is my friend. Alec got a tattoo because of HBO. It's official. It's official. The show definitely kicked the interest off for me, but the meaning of the tattoo is more of, you know, stuff happens in our life, and it's just like the Chernobyl reactor core explosion. It may have happened and it may have been history, but it's going to stay around the rest of your life forever. Because I mean, the radioactivity in that area is still there, right? Tons and many years later. So that's kind of the background behind that. I think it was incredible. Like, the entire world could have been destroyed that day. Like, everyone could have been dead. It's absolutely insane. So that's all. My tattoos have some sort of like meaning to it. The tattoos on my right arm are all usually like pretty dark and like twisted in a way, but I like them. So yeah, always down to talk about my tattoos. I like tattoos a lot. Yemorks, my friend, thank you again for that raid. I hope your stream went well. Welcome in raiders. Come on in. We're just getting started. We're about to head to the stand-up. Woo! All the Tesla models were upped in price in Norway the other day. The cheapest Model 3 variant was up to 40. Oh my God, that's actually pretty crazy. Damn. Sorry about that, friend. Oh, really, Dragon? Yeah, that's crazy, man. Yeah, it's I mean, it's open to the public now, right? And my friends that live in Russia could probably tell me better, but I remember seeing some things, and I don't know, it's like one of those things where people go there and they visit, and it's like they go and take pictures, and I don't know, that place isn't, in my opinion, like, it's not a place to go and like take pictures. I don't know, it's just weird. It makes me feel weird. But yeah, stream went nice. Ended early because I got work, so I'm off to bed. Oh, sounds good, dude. Yemorks, thank you again, friend. Have a great one. Check you later. I wish you bought one too and used my referral code. My God. What's up, Web? Dab. No, I ain't going Dab. Come on now. Yeah, I get you. I've seen some stuff, like, I don't know, some stuff I see, it's just like, come on, that's like, you know, like, obviously it's nice to go see historical areas, right? But like in a respectful way. Right arm is for dark tattoos, left arm is for happy ones, and lower back tattoos for thoughts on Flutter. With that said, enough of that. Let's get started. Folks, it's stand-up time. My friends, welcome to the stand-up. Come on into the room. You got plenty of space in here, huh? I'm totally kidding. There's literally no space in here. Don't come in here if you do not want to be infected by coronavirus, because I'm sure, Mark, I know you have it. You're wearing the Flutter shirt. We know you have it. Anyways, Mark has corona, I'm sure. Confirmed. Folks, if you've never been to the stand-up, welcome in. Stand-up's a time for us to talk about what we did yesterday, what we plan on doing today, and if we are currently blocked by anything. And I'm gonna scoot a little over real quick. Give me 1 second, yeah. Much better. Yes. Much better. Reptiles are immune to corona. Oh my god. Folks, let's talk about what we're planning on doing today and what we did yesterday. And if you have anything to report, anything you've been working on, software related, not software related, please let me know in the chat. I would love to see what is going on in your life today. So let's get started then. What did we do yesterday? I actually wrote it down this time because I want to remember. We added a pull to refresh for playlists and songs view. So now when you pull down on the app, you can actually get the latest data for that playlist or those songs or blah, blah, blah. We finished that up really nicely. Ran into a couple issues with Firebase rules. But guess what? Last night I fixed them. Firebase rules are good. I think they're kind of hacky rules right now. Like they'll do the thing we need to do, but we need to do a bit of a redesign on how we are doing certain things. And I have somewhat of an idea around that based on our talks the other day. But yeah, we did that. And essentially we're just going through the list of final bugs to get done. I think today is pretty much the day that we're going to go ahead and submit. I know we're 3 days late. I know. I know. You can say it. It's hard. It's been difficult. But we got the app working. Everything else after this point is going to be logged as a bug. We just need to get this thing submitted and out the damn door. All right? I want people to use it. I want people to have fun. Get groovy. And we got to start playing. We're already 3 days into our next iteration, and we haven't even started. We got to get this thing done. So today we're going to pretty much finish up some of the smaller bugs before we submit. And then deploy our functions to Firebase. Test those things in prod. Make sure those are good to go. And depending on how much time's left, we'll start the submission process to Apple and Google today. Else I'll do it tonight after work. And we'll go from there. So folks, that is our game plan for today. Yag, I'm starting to design my Golang bot. I made data flow diagram for the structure. Oh, yo, Yag, I would love, if you're open to it, I would love for you to post it in the Discord. I would love to take a look-see at what you're working with. That'd be really cool. Picture allowed during stand-up? Not sure. Maybe. Paul Blurt! What's up? Welcome. You want to kill me? I spent the day thinking, writing down, and sharing my thoughts on upcoming features for a few products. We'll be doing the same tomorrow. Lots of things to write up and edit. That's awesome. I love that. I decided yesterday that I'm going to start making a daily reoccurrence of writing things after work, of like, this is what I did today. This is essentially a personal stand-up for myself. I think it will help a lot. Dejvid, hey, is Firebase used in real-world production environment? It is. Firebase is pretty damn ballin'. Oh, I see. Awesome. Yeah, thanks for sharing, friend. Yeah, if you I would like to look at this a little more off stream. I can't share a photo on here right now because I don't have a setup to like display anything other than this image. I would still love to see it in Discord if that's cool, or just DM it to me. I want to take a look. Dejvid 1998, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the team. Woo! Kevin, hello, hello. Welcome in, folks. Thanks for being on time for stand up. Let's go ahead and get started. But before we get, oh my, those emotes. Before we get started, friends, don't forget about the beta that is coming. I know the beta was supposed to be submitted on Sunday. The beta will be submitted tonight, or end of day today, whatever. And yes, we'll go ahead and get that done. But if you want to be part of the beta, you want to test Grüvee on Android or iOS, please join the Discord. You'll see a Grüvee beta channel. And it'll be a really awesome place for all of us to collaborate and talk about Grüvee. And you'll see the steps how to actually get the beta on your phone. It's going to be really easy. All you're going to need is a link, and we'll be good to go. So join in now. Get ready to go. Let's do this thing. Let's get started. Enough lollygagging. The beta will be submitted tonight. Kappa lols. All right, whatever. Sounds good, Yag. I'm using Basecamp Personal for check-ins every Monday on 9 a.m. Answer, what will you be working on this week? And Monday through Friday, 7 p.m., what did you work on today? Oh, that's dope. That's a feature, huh? I like that. So let me go ahead, I guess, and start the app up, eh? We'll start that way first. And then we'll go from there, and I'll show you what we ended up doing yesterday for anyone who didn't make the stream, or the stuff I did last night. So we're gonna start with the go run, and then we have our Android emulator all ready to go. Thank you for believing me. We're gonna npm start this thing. Last night I actually didn't have my charger for my laptop in my room. So it literally died when I was in the middle of typing something. First time in a while that's happened. Kind of sucked, but it was all right. I luckily remember what I was doing. I was right here. I was making a new selector. But essentially, I was adding a way to check to see if a person added a song or not. And if they did, they should be able to delete it. And if they didn't, they shouldn't be able to delete it from the playlist. You should only be able to delete your own songs. So we'll do Android. Yeah. Let's get this thing started. And then we're going to go ahead and check out the iOS version. Make sure that's all good to go. And then we'll be working on the other bugs. I think pretty much what we have to hit today, small things I would like to do on the stream, are dismiss keyboard on submit. Easy. Oh, right. The type conversion bug in the social playlist. This is a fairly biggish one because this is a regression. Okay, yeah, this one, that's what we're currently working on, actually. And then if items were deleted, we need to account for that. I think, I don't even know what that means, but I think we're already doing that, hopefully. Else, yeah, I'm pretty sure we're doing that. We're just going to log it as a bug after if we're not. We're at that point. Anything after the release is just a bug, and we go back and fix it. Yeah, so this is what I wanted to do for any of the deletes, is essentially refactor it so we can create a trigger to handle a lot of those scenarios where our Firebase rules actually can't. Awesome. So you'll see now that we have our app up and running. Let's go to debug.js remotely. And essentially, oh, all right. Yeah, so this is what I was working on last night. So let's figure out what's going on here. Cannot read properly. Playlists of undefined. Playlists of undefined. Okay. So our playlist data reducer is coming back as undefined. Swipeable song item. I am passing in my state, right? Playlists data reducer dot playlists. Let's see what this logs out here. I'm curious. Because that's what we're passing in, right? Into our selector. Oh, yeah. Okay, so that works. We have our playlists. Did I do by ID? State.playlist reducers.playlist. Make sure I spelled it correctly as well. I spelled it wrong. Did I? Oh, no, I didn't. I thought I spelled it wrong. I was like, damn it. Playlists. So, yeah, it's saying right here. Playlist. Okay. Hey! Valus, what's up? The beta's going well. We are getting ready to release today, my friend. I know it's a little late. But we're almost there. We're getting pretty darn close. Just fixing up some last bugs today and then testing out the Firebase functions and submitting. Okay, cool. So cannot read property added by of undefined. So now let's take a look at that. Jesus Christ. I think I spelled playlist. I must have spelled something wrong here. Let's make sure that the spelling errors are even more real at night. I think that looks okay. So we should have user ID, user.id, playlist ID, which is our current playlist ID, the one that we go into, all of our playlists, and then our song ID, props.song ID. So user ID, playlist ID, playlists. Let's also make sure that our playlist ID is valid. And then this thing is valid as well. What's up, Deb? How's it groovying? We're getting real groovy. Never heard of them? I never have either. I'm usually pretty immune to them. Okay, added by. Oh, I think I know what the issue is. It's not added by, is it? It's not. It's by ID. I think. Oh, yeah, this is what's happened. So we have playlists. We got our playlist ID. Then we have .songs. We get all of our songs, obviously, and then added by that person. Okay. This should be it for us then. Yeesh. What is this undefined thing though? Song selector line 23. That should work. Huh. Playlist, a playlist ID. Oh, I see. Okay, so playlists, we get that thing here, and then we have to do by ID. That's what it is. I see. By ID. And that's, yeah. That's what we're looking for. And then we get the songs added by, and that's it. There we go. Woo. Oh, you can still swipe. So the control doesn't render, but you can still swipe it. We don't want that. Yeah, right there in Festify, it is just connected to Spotify. So anything that's on Spotify, you should be able to play on here. So you'll see that this song was actually added by another user. And there's no comments here. But we shouldn't swipe like that, probably, right? How did I do it in the comments? Swipeable comment item. All I did was this, right? Yeah. But there must be some sort of flag that I set. Oh, I see. So I do a render item with either this thing. Where's my render item? Our comment item. Or I do the animated swipe row. Okay, okay. So we just have to add that same check. Swipeable song item. Right. Let me actually go ahead and grab this sort of layout here. It should be the same. We're just using a different component. Okay, we're going to base it off of did user add song. So did user add song? Oh, this is render song item. My bad. Whoopsie. That is the wrong spot. Actually should be up here. So we'll do return did render song, did user add song. If they did, we're going to render this thing. Else, we're just going to render the song item, right? We'll just do a render item of the thing here. Yeah, and that shouldn't have the swipeable row in it, is the whole point behind that. Or it shouldn't have like the swipe functionality. Yeah. All right, let's try that out. That should do the trick. And so for the playlists, I want to allow delete. But for songs and comments, I don't want to allow it. Oh, hello. What in the world? Aman! Welcome in, friend. Nice to see you. So you'll see we don't have the swipe, but now we have some really weird spacing for some reason. Okay. Oh, well, render song item. We have all these things we need to pass in here. I see. Interesting. I did these. These are essentially the same thing, but I did them differently. I don't really know why I did them differently. It's kind of weird. Are these things even being used in here? Oops. Yeah, render song item in general literally only passes in one thing. And it's just a song. So we should be able to remove this stuff and actually do that. Get that crapple out of here. Let's see if that, I don't think that's going to fix anything, but let's take a little look-see. Hey, Chillaxor, yo, yo, yo. Nice to see ya. How we doing today? What? It's so weird. Interesting. Maybe we can open Inspector and see what this thing may be. Oh, it's padding. So I guess the question is, what's the difference between what's the difference between this and let me add a song that I add. My daily mix. No, don't play anything. Stop. Let me go to my daily mix here. Pull up. Playboy Cardi. All right. I don't know how that got into my daily mix, but I'll take it. So if I add this song now. Oh no, it's just all. Oh, okay. So this is just a general problem. So that's good to know. What am I missing here? Literally the only thing I returned was this. And just to confirm, if we go back to this, this should just work, right? Oops. That should go back to how we originally had it working. Took a small break from work, coffee, and smoking this fake cig. Oh, nice, dude. What's up, DNS? Hi. This is so weird. Like, what the heck is this thing? It's really weird that adding just that kind of changes anything. And where was my delete on here? Render swipe action components. Did I actually add that? I didn't. Maybe it's because I didn't pass this thing in. Let's reload this real quick. Okay, so, yeah, so that makes sense. We can still swipe on that thing. If we do this, and we comment this out. There must be some, like a parent styling doing something. Hey, G-Man, good morning. Yeah, there must be something going on here. Let's go to then the song item. Maybe we can see some differences between that and the common item. This is pretty straightforward, right? We have song data and the current user. So you just pass in the song and the current user. If we go to our swipeable comment, we should check this thing out too. Let's open this thing up. Open her up. Oh, interesting. Yeah, so we have this. This is a fragment. Like, that's the only other difference I can see here. But there is a... These are technically two different components. I just don't know why adding it like this adding it like this doesn't work with how we had it before. I wonder, actually, if we can try something like this. What's up, guy? Welcome back. Nice to see ya. I have an idea. And I'm very curious to check this out, because then we can actually change it to be that if needed. So swipe action component. Is this thing required? So I forgot what we did here. It gets rendered like that. And then list item component. Oh, maybe because this thing just needs to be wrapped in a view. Maybe that's it. That could actually probably just be it. Let's try that first. It's an easier solution. Not you. We want to go over here. And we're going to go here. Do that. And we're going to go here. Do this. We're going to put them in their own containing views. Yeah. Like that. All right, let's try it. I get the Flutter thing to run directly on my phone, and it works a lot better than the emulator. Hey, heck yeah. Yeah, I mean, on-device testing is probably always better, right? Text strings must be rendered within a text component. Excuse me? Oh. Forgot. Man, sometimes I question... Actually, a lot of the times I question my React skills. I always forget these things. Just the nuances of the language. Or of the library. Alright, let's see this thing again. This I don't get this padding here. This padding is so freaking weird. Why does that happen? Maybe we need to change it to margin? Like I don't really get it. Why does the padding start that way? Because I don't have any padding between my components. Because we have the touchable opacity. Oh, we do have a padding bottom here. Why do I have a padding bottom on this thing? Why is that there? Oh, I think I know why. Actually, I don't know why I put that there. Like, why is that there to begin with? That shouldn't be there. Let's see how it affects everything else. Hey, nice emo, Des. Anston, what's up? Vim and Emacs is greater than everything else. Ooh, what a debate. Finally completed my project, full physical installation of Arch Linux on MacBook Pro. I call it ArchBook. I love it. Heck yeah, that's awesome. How's it working? Nothing wrong with a little pad. Everything's wrong with padding. Yeah, this was the problem. When I added the items in here, I see. Why did I do it like this? I'm so weird, man. Why did I do this? Who wrote this thing? Who wrote this thing? You wrote it. Get better. Oh, yeah. That's right. I did write it. Jesus. What's up, Des? Welcome. Everything works. A bit wonky Wi-Fi, though. Works once every couple of reboots. Oh, that is super weird. Huh. Do you think it's an easy fix, or? There it is. Oh my god. You know what's also sort of weird? Okay. Let's get out of here. Swipeable comment item. Render item. Like, this doesn't... I don't even think this truly makes sense. Because swipeable... Oh, well, no. It is a swipeable comment item. So this actually does make sense. But yeah, because you can't. I forgot. Android, you can't. You don't have, like, the regular scrolling like that. But I did add this song. So... I should be able to swipe that thing, right? Let's see how this thing gets called multiple times. Let's see. Oh, we probably don't need this thing anymore, right? We're already wrapped in a view. Time to eat and get some rest for me. Sounds good, Des. Enjoy your meal and enjoy your rest. I was in the process of writing unit tests for my new project and gave up when I had to mock the component wrapped with a with a router and HOC. I see. Yeah, that sounds like a time. Yeah, so this thing's not swipeable anymore. And it's because it's all false. Which is weird. Because if we go to fetch songs, we go to our state, playlist by ID. We have one user? No. Playlist by ID, sorry. Here's the playlist. We go to songs. Added by. Yeah, one of them is added by me. So that means the selector's not working properly. And it should be the song. Oh, because we pass in the song and not the song ID. I see. Okay, that's where it's always going to return false then. All right, that's an easy fix. Selector, hello. Where are you? Here you are, friend. There's no song ID. It's just a song. And then that's gonna go here. Oops. I mean, we can just do song.id, and then technically that can just be song ID, right? Yes. Let's try that. So that always returns false. 10,000 pixels, Chris? Jeez Louise. Oh man, do we need to get some more redemptions? Oh man. There it is. But it's still not really fully working. Because my action's not showing up now. Why? But I feel as though that check is like sort of redundant now. But now I'm curious why it's not working. Nice. So I'm glad that we have that. Render song. Did add user render. Oh wait, no, render swipe component. So if we're rendering the swipe component, we don't need this. Yeah, we actually don't even need this anymore. Right? Like, if we're at the point where we're rendering the component, then we should just render it. And we should change the other one to do that too. And then I want to change it to be did add user, else we do this, right? Awesome. Yes. Yes. Let's make sure that works, and then we'll do the same thing for the songs. For the songs list. Or the comments list. There it is. Awesome. Cool. And I think that padding's a little too much. Hey, Demon, thanks for the host, man. Comments list, song selector, swipeable comment. Where are you, my friend? Let's do like a 15. You know? 9.7K. So I'm gonna need new stuff. Oh my god. You guys are racking in the points. I don't know what to do. There's only so much. Should I just raise the points of everything else? We got to come up with some new stuff, huh? Cool. Yeah, so we'll make sure this thing works like this. Okay, yeah, it looks much better. We have that. Can't swipe that one. Cool. So let's go ahead and delete this thing. Yeah, we get our actions, and that should be removed from our database. Let's go to our console. Woo! Maybe open up a second floor of your office. It's not a bad idea. Yeah, we need definitely more room in the stand-up room, right? For sure. Yeah, we're gonna need something here. Okay, cool. Yeah, we have the one song there with the one comment, which is awesome. Great. So that looks good. Let's go ahead and fix up the comment item to do the same, swipeable comment item. So here we still do this check, but let's check for if it does equal, then we're actually going to render this. Else, we're going to render that. Yeah. So it's the same sort of flow that we have in the other one. And then we don't need to check for this anymore, right? Because I think that's the only thing we're using current user for in here. It is. Because again, if we know we're going to render this thing, we know we have it, right? So that isn't necessary at all. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Let's check it, friends. So we go in here. I did not add this song, so I can't delete it, as you see it as I'm trying to swipe. And then if I go and add a song now, I am now able to delete that one, which is awesome. So let's go into a comment, do the same thing. Hi. Actually, let's go back. Oh God. Oh no. What? The Android system is just too intense for me. Okay, so I added this comment. We can swipe that. We need to get the iOS app open so we can check out the other one. So let's go ahead and do that. Oops. The current Flutter release for Windows is called Flutter Windows Hotfix Stable Zip, which just sounds like someone had a stressful time. Yeah, they all have their naming conventions, right? So I'm not surprised. Not surprised. Sorry, folks, 1 second. Flutter. All right, so let's get this thing. This thing should be loading, right? It is loading. It's just building the thing. Building taking a long time when you got multiple emulators. Deb, is there any way to rate the songs in a playlist for your MVP? Kind of like all the collaborators can rate the songs. There isn't yet, but that is in the cards. That's going to be coming soon for release 1. Essentially, I want to add a system where everyone in the playlist can rate, can essentially just like a song, and as you like the song goes up in the queue. Just kind of how we do it in Festify, right? It changes the ranking. So if you say add new members to your playlist or anything like that, the first few songs will be like the top hit songs from the group, or something like that. Yeah, something cool. No, I haven't added the Flutter sounds yet, DK. I haven't had any time, unfortunately, but I will soon. Hopefully this weekend, or tomorrow or Friday or something. Wow, it's taking a long time to build. All right. I guess we'll just wait for that thing. So one of the bigger things was, add proper open source license. We have to do that. Changing to Grüvee. Yeah, I think that, so the app name looks like it's Grüvee without the umlaut. So I definitely want to change that. If you used Flutter, you would have had this. Just no Flutter. Oh, the overflow card issue. Forgot about that. Okay, if anything while this loads, we'll start with this thing. Update verbiage on main page. So this was really just auth.js. We have the quick little snippet here. Welcome to Grüvee beta. Thanks for taking part in the first. Yeah, it's loading some things. I feel like it's like building tools or something like that. I'm not entirely sure what the heck's going on with that thing. But yeah, it's doing something. In Grüvee beta for iOS and Android. It's pretty simple. To get started, all you need to do is press the was it, did I do sign in with Spotify? Wow, this thing is still building. I have no idea what's going on. It's an open beta, but it's also a closed beta at the same time. The way to get into the beta, yes, thank you, Yag, is right there. All you have to do is go ahead and get into the Discord. Yes, there we go. What? Hello? What the? What the? What the? Welcome. Salute. Y saludes to all my comrades out there. Welcome. Thank you for being a part of the team. Welcome. Thank you very much for being here, friends. Salute y saludes. I got nothing really today. Obrigado. Woo! My mom got super offended last time I stood up to salute. I forgot that when the Russian anthem plays, you are only supposed to stand up straight. Oh, really? Oh, shit. No, I won't offend your mom. No. Your mom hates me now. Feels bad. Feels bad, Yag. That's actually good to know. So maybe we should start doing that. Maybe we should start doing that. Anyways, that's all I got for today. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I got no words. Like, let's just finish this thing, right? McKinsey, hey, welcome back. You just stand there awkwardly? Well, you know, like, puff out our chests, all of us. Very straight backs. All that stuff. It's just, you know, something we do in the channel. Something we do in the channel. It built, so we got some time. Alright, so what was I going to do again? Okay, so I'm going to try to swipe this thing. I can't. That's good. That's good. But the high was worth the pain. You love the game. We should make sure the spacing between these things are the same. Nasty scars on the silence lovers. Hello? The Android app. Okay, so all we have to do, so it's going to be flex column. So we just need to do a align items, right? Should be center. That's just going to push it down into the middle for us. Which should be good. Or is it? I never know which one it is. I always forget. Oh. Didn't see that right there. Justify content. One more time. Oh no. Oh no. Not with the button. You gotta do it like this. Styles.text container. So we just got to make this little thing right here. So container, this will do this, and then section title, text container, this thing here, and then this is literally just going to be a flex direct justify content center. And then that won't have our button, and we should be good to go. Or not. Text container. Why is that in there still? Oh, I see. There it is. All right. And we should make this that's pretty good. Hey Rushki, welcome back, my friend. Welcome. That'll do for now. Nothing, it's not beautiful by any means, but it will do the thing for us. Just 1 hour late for stand-up. Feels bad, man. That's all right. That's all right. We're here. We're doing the things now. All right, so we added this check here. We deleted that thing. Okay. Swipeable item. Oh, we don't need view anymore. Did user add song selector? Yep. So we added that selector, connected this thing, set it up properly. All right. Get that log statement out of here. Nice. Comment selector. We check for some stuff here to make sure it's not null or undefined. Song selector. We're doing the same dealio. Right there. Awesome. Let's do it. Adding pull to refresh on comments and adding check for showing delete comment option and Changing. First page text. Oh, hold on 1 second here. Haha, that would have been bad. We would have kept that on sign out. Damn it. Can I copy this? Oh, it's gonna let me. Probably not. What's up, King? Arctic Moon. It's pretty good. I like it. I'm a fan. Oh, we have to add that thing now. Yeah. Ooh, it did. Nice. One step closer, friends. One step closer. What can we mark off this list here? I'm pretty sure I fixed that. Yes, make sure to include check for created by user. Nice. Dismiss keyboard on submit. Update the verbiage. All right. Okay, so the next thing we should do is figure out this create social playlist thing. Because that is breaking the app on Android, which we don't want, obviously. One second, please. All right, here we go. So essentially the problem that we're having is every time we create a playlist, our playlist should actually be being created on our Spotify account. So you can see like all these playlists here. These were all created every time we created a new playlist within Grüvee. So we've ran into an issue because we started changing some types where on that type of creation, we get a cannot unmarshal string into go struct field firestore playlist created by of type document. So we need to figure that out. And I think I know what we need to do here. Essentially, we have Spotify playlist request. Is that what it is? There's request here. So it's create playlist cannot unmarshal string. Yeah, for playlist. So we have to actually go over here. This thing's a string. So pretty much what we can do is I think we can just maybe just pass over our document, and that would do the trick. Yeah, go lang time. Let's go. Battyhin, thank you very much for the follow, my friend. Welcome to the team. Glad to have you. So the first part is to figure out, or to go to where we're calling this thing here. I'm saying it's like create. This is going to be a, I think it's going to be a Spotify action. No, it's going to be in services, I believe. Service, Spotify, endpoints. Get API token, authorized user, get some Firebase, no. Is it just my constant? So I did get media data, create social playlist, I see. Okay, so yeah, the first thing we're doing here is we're packing up our social platform. And it looks like we're packing up our playlist, but I think the playlist is just the name, right? No, it looks like I'm passing up the entire playlist. So that's pretty sweet. Unmarshal string. To go struck field, Firestore playlist created by of type Firestore document. Oh, I see. Because it's returning a Firestore document. I see. And created by here. Oh, it's a string, but it should be a Firestore document. I understand. I mean, ultimately, all we need from this thing, and I think the only thing we get out of here, let's double check that. We get the platform name. If it equals Spotify, we go ahead, set the endpoint with the social platform ID and playlist, and then refresh token, we check that. And then it's literally... we go to create playlist with our Firestore playlist. And it's literally, all we're using here, I think, is playlist name. And so for now, I think what we can do is actually change this request and just have the playlist name be a string and not the actual Firebase. Yeah, like not the actual Firebase thing. Because like, or we just create our own type that, or like our own request type here. Because like, I don't really see anything that we need from here other than the name of the playlist and maybe like the members of it. But even then, like the members of it, I don't think it's really going to do much. And then on creation, there's no songs, there's no comments, and there's no cover art. You know? So, man, I'm done with the weather this morning. Oh my lord. Oh no. Yeah, all the hail and tornadoes, eh? Ooh, that's pretty nice. Yeah, it's getting a little cloudy over here. I wish the sun was out a little more, but I'll take it. I'm writing this message from inside the tornado. In my whole life, I've never known what it was like to fly. In this moment, I'm glad I have it. Thanks for using your pixels here, Dragonfleas. Yeah. That's a good one. Line 59. Not 69, but 59. Oh, 4/22/20. Nice. Thanks for using your pixels here, my dude. Yeah. So yeah, I guess to go back to this thing, I think the only thing we need to do is essentially, yeah, we're just gonna change our type to be instead of a playlist, we're just gonna call this playlist name for now. Later on, if we need to pass more data in, we will. But currently, we're just gonna keep this as a string, and we're gonna call this playlist name. Hey, Ryhonic, let's get groovy. Yeah. I like it. And this thing should just be a name, right? Name. So new playlist.name. Go back over here. We're going to call this thing playlist name. Put that there. And that should pretty much handle it for us. The one thing we're going to have to change is over here to playlist name. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Go to create playlist down here. It's going to be playlist name. And this thing is just going to be a string. Playlist name is going to go right there. And that's it. Yeah, that was literally the only thing we lose for. It also cuts down our payload size. We don't need all that other crap in there. right? So let's test it out. Let's see what's up. Garrowhorn! Pixelo 5 YAYA. Hey, cheers to you. Thank you so much for that, Garrowhorn. Welcome back for 3 months. Oh my god, you get a new brain today. Welcome to the green brain crew, my dude. Thank you so much for that resub, man. I appreciate the 3 months. You're awesome. Welcome back to the team. Glad to have you as an intern. Yeah, buddy. I love it. Thank you. So this thing here. We should just be able to add this playlist now. And hopefully we shouldn't get any more errors. So I'm going to actually stop remote debugging on this. And I'm going to start remote debugging on this one. Because that's where it was breaking. On call so I can't hear you, but keep doing it. Cheers. Thank you, dude. All right, we got to log in with Grüvee Gal on this device. It should be good to go. Deep link the flag. La, 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 la. There we go. Do we not have any playlists for Grüvee Gal? That was sort of weird. Okay, that was kind of weird. Oh, we're getting that 400 thing again. Oh, this is not gonna... We gotta do it on this... Damn it. We can actually log in on Spotify over here. I gotta log out of Grüvee Guy and get into Grüvee Gal. 1 segundo, please. All right. Here we go. Grüvee, hi. Hello. Awesome. So all we need to do now. This is my first Spotify playlist. Just like that. Let's invite Grüvee Guy. All right, no errors? There it is. Woo, woo, woo. Hey. So unfortunately right now, we create the playlist, but as we add songs, we actually don't add anything else. We don't add anything to that playlist yet. That will be coming in phase 2. I didn't have enough time to implement the song portion of it. We had to write a whole new Firebase function for it, but that'll do. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Yeah, we're getting this unknown error crap again. This is really annoying. Okay, it did that at least, but I think writing this. Yeah, okay, so it seems like it's just some sort of weirdness with the sign in, sign out right now. Just to verify, let's go ahead and do that. It seems to pop up randomly. Haven't been able to pinpoint why or where or when or how. It just does the thing. We're going to reload the thing right here. Yeah, I really don't know what that thing is. But it seems to be working. So that's good. Well, Oh, but it didn't. Okay, so create our playlist, but it didn't set it in our document. That's what the problem is. When that bug happens. One more. Yeah. So cool. So the playlist is working. And then, but I think it. No, it's not writing to our document for some reason. I don't know why. I was late for work 2 times in a row. What do you mean late for work? No. Maybe in a little bit. Yeah, so it creates a playlist, but it's not writing it to our documents because of this thing. Yeah. I think it's like a bad session or something. Like I can't really pinpoint what that thing is. But hopefully that doesn't happen too much on the beta. I'm assuming it probably will happen at some point, but hopefully not. We'll see. Only way to find out is to test it. Cool. So really all we did was change the playlist name and alter that here. So we pass in a playlist name instead. And that's it. Cool. And then so that fix in Golang is going to stay right here for now. I'm going to have to create a new branch and do that. Twitch money do be looking kind of fresh, Pog. Always. Okay, cool. So git branch, git checkout B, final fixes. Alrighty. So we're in our own branch now. We can mark this one off the list. So that was bug. That one's good. What else we got? So, change app name to Grüvee. Let's go ahead and change that thing. I don't really know where that goes. I think that's happening here, maybe. And we should just version. We should change the versioning like that, right? Because the app name doesn't have the umlaut. Delete. I wonder if I also have to go to Xcode and change that there. Moist greetings. I don't know. Let's check it out. Yeah, so display name, we should definitely change that like that. And then probably, what's that thing? Android Studio. Opening up the studio. Here we go. I don't know where the name of this thing is. I'm going to assume app. I'm gonna have to look this one up. I have no idea. I know it wasn't in iOS. Android app display name. What's up, off? Finally a good ID. Get out of here. Android label field in your application node, Android manifest. I see. Oh my. You call that a good IDE? Come on now. Manifest file? Yes, thank you. I always, manifest this one. Here it is. String app name. Where's app name? There's a strings file here or something. Good IDE, Pog. We'll turn Alec into a Visual Basic dev by the end of this day. Oh man. What's up, Coding Cactus? So many updates. Apparently so. I don't open this thing ever. Do any of you know where this string file is? Where I can change that? It looks like it's just using the app name from string file. Oh, and resources? Oh, nice. Thank you. Yeah. Should do it properly, dude. Grüvee. There we go. Yes, this was bugging me for a while. Okay, so let's make sure that looks good on both Android and iOS. It's a small thing, but it's very important. The umlaut's not Grüvee, it's Grüvee. Right? We got to be proud. Run iOS start. It's going to make the whole app look different now. Oh, start iOS. Hello? Oh, invalid name. What? Damn, bro. All right, all right, all right. We're not supposed to be directly helpful? My God. Told ya. Yeah. Well, that's... You know what? Fine. All right? Fine. I think that's okay for this. That's fine. I just need the display name to be Grüvee, which we have set up in iOS and Android. Oh, no. It failed. Because I changed it? Are you serious? Bro, don't tell me. Don't tell me I can't use this thing because it's... My God. What the heck happened? This actually looks really freaking weird. This should have just built properly. Oh, hold on. Let me put it to 11. No! God damn it. No! Guys, not 3 times in one day. We can't do that. God damn it. 3 times. Y'all are savages. The reason why I skip it is because I gotta have something to say, and I don't have anything to say. And if we do it 3 times, if we do it 3 times a stream, I'm gonna run out of things to say. Dictatorship confirmed. Oh my God. Let me get a salute at least. Can I get a salute in chat? Come on, let's get some salutes up in here. Let's get some pixel salutes. Salutes for all the fellow comrades, huh? Let's just get this done. Yes. Yes, the hymn, my friend. The hymn. Bring back our anthem. I'm gonna bring back the anthem. I just need a salute. Just give me a salute. Don't leave me hanging. What the heck is this thing? What's wrong with you people? Thank you. Comrades. Woo! Thank you. Sorry, 3 times in one day. It's not a thing, you know? It just can't happen. Can't happen. Supreme leader. Thank you. I'm pretty good leader, right? No terms like that, please. None of that. Nothing like that. Try doing it with a capital S. Gilher. Yeah. If you press colon and then start typing pixel, it should just come up automatically. Tyrant. God damn. I'm just trying to see why my iOS app didn't build. So we're building it here in Xcode. There's nothing else going on. You guys are trolly trolls. Oh, we did that already. Let's go. So it looks like the things we have left are add proper open source license, fix overflow card issue. Yeah, we're not doing that. I want to add a logout button. I honestly don't know where to put it. Maybe we can put it in the top right of our playlist section. Just like something real quick. So this, dismiss keyboard on song submit. What the? What? What? Hello? P. Copley. Woo! Salute is my friend. Thank you for the... How many are these? How many gifted subs? 3 gifted subs to the community. To Des, Amon, and Moonturi. Welcome in, my friends. Woo! Holy crap. Folks, I dare say it, but I think we can hit 100 subs. I think we're about to hit 100 subs. And you know what happens on 100 subs? You know what happens at 100 subs? Does anyone remember? Thank you so much for that. Appreciate you, P. Copley. You're awesome. I really appreciate you, friend. Cheers. The beta launches at 100 subs. We finally get to see you die. No. Flutter 24-hour hackathon stream. Hello? Had everyone forgotten? Flutter 24-hour hackathon stream? Oh. That Flutter. Why is that? Everyone's going nuts right now. Flutter. Where? Yes, 100 subs, Flutter hackathon stream. Just because we don't have the goal up doesn't mean the goal hasn't stopped. Thank you so much for that, P. Copley. Appreciate you, friend. Folks, make sure you have linked your Discord account to your Twitch accounts or vice versa. Yeah. Thank you. Rusky about to donate 50 subs. I didn't even know. Oh, man. Oh, no. Oh, no, my God. My trolley. Guys, the build failed as well. Apparently, we can't find something. Oh. I think we have to do a clean, probably. Do we? Oh, no. Yes. But now we are close. I think we're what? At 92? We're at 92 subs right now. Yeah. It could happen. It could be very scary, but it can happen. I think we need to clean this thing. Let's try to build it on Android, see if it works at least. Tilted was... Hold on, hold on. Oh my god. Tilted Waza, Dragon Fleas. Thank you so much. Tilted, thank you for the Twitch Prime. Woo! Dragon Fleas, thank you for the 4 gifted subs. That brings us up, what, to 98 right now? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's happening. And we got a hype train? Ooh. We did it! We did it! Rushki coming in with 3 more gifted subs to Paul, Blunt, Preston, and Yasmin. Woo! Yes! Flutter hype is real. Woo, baby! Ah, woo! Folks, we got even further. 101? Hello? Thank you all. Thank you all for the support. Appreciate you all being in here. You guys are freaking awesome. Hype train. All the hype. Oh no, a duck. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to the team. Man, Dragon Fleas and Rushki and Tilted Waza and P. Copley, all of you. Salute, saludos, my friend. Thanks for being awesome supporters of the channel. And for all that. This is awesome. This is crazy. 101 subs on the channel. We did it. We did it. That means it's time. Flutter Hackathon 24-hour stream. Oops. That means I got to plan this thing. Oh my god. Hype days. Yes, and we got to level 3. Or currently on level 4 of the hype chain. It's actually pretty lit. So nice job. I made Flutter app that pings my friend's Minecraft server that shows the player count. Oh, nice, DK. Rushki, dude. Stop it. Thank you for the 100 bits, man. Appreciate you. I don't know when the hackathon starts. I actually have to do it now. Maybe this weekend? I don't know. Ironically enough, I took off of work on Friday. So... Rushki, thank you for the 200 bits. Woo! So maybe we'll just do a Friday hackathon. Let's get right into it. I don't even know where to start with Flutter. I don't know what we're going to build. Like, oh, maybe the dog treat app we're going to try to build. That means I got to order a dog treat dispenser. Oh my gosh. 24-hour riot. Man, this is so sick. Thank you all. For real. This is wild. We did it, fam. We did it. And we still don't have a beta release of this app. Feels bad. But tonight will be the night. Let's see if this name thing worked real quick. Oh my god. It did! The umlaut's right there. So on Android it worked. Just clone Facebook? Easy. No, you keep the data mining in there. Of course, obviously. Woo! I can't believe it. I can't believe it. We did it. All right, I'm going to clean this thing. We're going to rebuild it. Let's see if this thing works. Yes. Flutter 24-hour hackathon. Oh my gosh. Why this thing's rebuild. Let's talk about this. Flutter. So okay, let me ask all of you this. How would you like to do this? I was planning on just doing it essentially a 24-hour stream building something in Flutter. But I think it would be kind of cool if we have this as a community event where everyone in the community has to use Flutter and build something. And then at the end of the 24 hours, we showcase our projects. And then everyone will vote on the best project. And then maybe we can like get a prize or something like that. Thoughts? Would you all be interested in doing that? Like we all participate together in a hackathon? Or you can just come watch me build stuff in Flutter? I don't know, whatever. I kind of like we all build something in Flutter. That'd be pretty fun. Love it? Awesome. Cool. We have to use a good... It's going to be terrifying. I don't even... Listen, I might have to throw my computer out the window. Like, I don't even know what I'm going to do. Yeah, so I will stream 24 hours. I'll do the whole stream 24 hours, but instead of just me building something, I thought it'd be fun where we could have like a Pixelogic Dev Flutter hackathon. Hey, Preston. Steam? What? I have done a few 24-hour hackathons. They are hard. There will be a lot of moments where yo, Demon, dude. Thanks for the 100 bits, man. I really appreciate you. There are going to be times where I take a lot of breaks for multiple, like an hour, half an hour at a time. So that will be a thing. Oh, baby. We got level 3 hype train. Woo! Thank you all for that. That's freaking sick. Good job. You killed it. 101 subs, level 3 hype train. I'll take it. I'll take it. Y'all are awesome. Thank you again for that. Yeah, well, that's because I don't take any breaks. During hackathons, I'm very, very cautious of the breaks and what I should be taking. Yeah, thank you all for the emotes. Thanks for being here. We got the hype train little emotes next to Rushki and Dragon, please. Let's go. Choo choo, baby. Legit only for one emote. All right, so our app keeps dying here on iOS. I think I may know why. Nightbot, it's about time you had a sub. Jesus. Dragon, dude. 31 gifted subs to the channel. It's been... You're crazy. You're insane. Man, we might have a second hiring manager on our team here. We got Yemorks, and now we got freaking Dragon Fleas. And coming in fast is Rushki. Oh my god. we got a lot of hiring managers coming in. Thank you so much for that, Dragon Fleas. Appreciate you. There goes that. There goes our integrity. Yes. Yes, there it goes. All right, let's figure out what the heck just happened here. I don't know, honestly. So Xcode is telling us, man, it feels so good to be in Xcode right now. The derived data. Let me do a quick little search. Changed app display name, iOS, and now won't build. Let's see what it is. Just something like that. I'm the hiring manager that does nothing but spew off buzzwords. I only hire people that knows Flutter. Oh man, I'm scared. I'm scared to use Flutter. Okay, yeah, I think this will be it.
We cannot escape inventing ourselves. Intentions and our volition.
There are Flutter. What? How is this happening?
And our planning feeds our eye-making, feeds our self-invention or reinvention.
Yeah, I didn't even realize it. What the hell? It's actually kind of crazy.
Have you trained yourself to recognize the difference between what's urgent, what's necessary, and what's important? Feed your eye-making with a fresh vision that expresses...
Oh, in the directory, though, I can see the app file was created with a different name.
How you can use your gifts and talents in this world.
I wonder if it's not going to work because it appends the file name. Oh, man, that might suck. How do you spell umla? Is that how you spell umla? Or is it O? Oh, maybe this might work. Oh, bundle display name. Maybe. So maybe what we can do. Yeah, I forgot about that. Keep that as Grüvee. And then we go to the P list. Where are you, P list? Yeah, here we go. I think we can do it like this. Yeah. All right, let's try that now. And then that should do it. Hey, Lumjacker. Welcome. Umla. I totally butchered that. I am so sorry. My spelling. You all know my spelling by now. Umla. Yes, thank you. Under the 24-hour stream too. Why haven't you tried Flutter? Yeah, we should. That's actually a really good idea. All right, for the Flutter stream, I'm going to have to set up all the Flutter voices. And then do we want to do themes? I don't think we should do themes. Oh, nice. There it is. I think we should just do yeah, there it is, Grüvee. You can kind of see the umlaut there. It's very, very subtle, but yeah, it's right there. It's awesome. Got it. Yeah, you can kind of see it there. And then we should also, yeah, I think we should just do like build something in Flutter. Why haven't you tried Flutter? Oh man, Flutter, dude. 24-hour hackathon. Oh my God. All right, folks. I do have to go. It is time to start the workday, unfortunately, because I would love to stay and keep hanging out and get this thing submitted right now. But friends and family, thank you for being here today. Thank you for getting the channel. Can we just get some claps, salutes, some pogs, anything you can think of? That's hype, man. Over 100 subs today to bring us into the Flutter 24-hour hackathon stream. Woo! My God. Appreciate you all being here. And if you haven't yet, check out our Discord. Hey, Draco, I love it. Nice. Check out our Discord for all the new subs that were gifted today. Please link your Twitch account to your Discord account. Get into the Discord. Get an awesome role, intern role in there. As well as get ready to join the Grüvee beta that will be submitted today at the end of the day. Check out the Grüvee beta channel in Discord, and I will be updating it with how to get access later today and after we submit and do all that fun stuff. The only things I got to do now is there's like maybe 1 or 2 more bugs, and then I need to I just need to test everything works with our Firebase functions in the cloud instead of locally. And that's it. That's all we got. And we submit it and we're done. Woo! Thank you all for being here. Gilher, Draco, Renlon, Rushski, Dragonfleas, Demon, Yag, all of you. Thanks for hanging out today. Appreciate you all being here. It's been fun. And yes, Nightbot finally has the proper emotes for the raid. Let's go. Yes, thanks for hanging out today, friends. I hope you enjoyed the stream. But don't go anywhere, because we're about to go raid a fellow programmer here on Twitch. Who should we raid today? I never enjoy the stream. Thanks, DK. We raided Full Stack the other day. Instafluff. Yeah, let's go raid Instafluff. We haven't raided him in a couple weeks, I think. He's always a fun one to raid. Always appreciate his stream. Again, make sure you grab that raid message. Grab it. Let's get Grüvee. Thank you all again for being here. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will catch you all on the Discord and same time, same place. Mañana en la mañana. Peace and love, friends. Thanks for being here. Enjoy the raid. Let's show some love.